Greetings and salutations, YouTube student here. Welcome to the vlog. I am here with Mom, and we're waiting for the inspector to come. And it's super gloomy, and
it's a gloomy day.
Overcast. And we're waiting for the inspector. Is he coming for sure today, Mom?
I don't know. I'm not sure. A is already in Chicago.
Okay, so right now, our contractor's here, is outside talking with Mom. We're still waiting for the inspector to come, so still crossing our fingers, but I'm gonna see if I can make something for breakfast because we're hungry. But also, look at my ficus Audrey back there. It looks so fantastic. Hello. Also, ignore the trash that needs to be thrown away down there. Alright, you guys, Mom and I are still waiting, but we're having some brekkies, so we have just a bunch of leftovers, coffee and rice, because we're hungry. So the inspector is here, and it's someone that I guess inspected our old house once when we got like a new air conditioning unit put in, so we're just waiting to see what happens. Cross your fingers. Okay, so I don't know where they went, but they were out there before. Their paperwork is still in the backyard, but the cars are all gone. I'm gonna surprise Mom with this giant hat instead. Here, baby, come here. I'm gonna show you something. Look at this cool hat. Come on, we're gonna surprise Grandma with it. Come here. Let me see you put it on. Hey, come here. Okay, you're going to after this. Alright, come on. Let's go show. We're gonna surprise Grandma, okay? Because that's gonna be Grandma's cool new hat. Alright, Grandma. Eliza has a surprise for you. Are you ready? Give it to Grandma so she can try on her new hat. Her brand new hat.
This is for I cannot see anymore.
Alright guys, so I'm cracking up because Mom thought that the inspector was here, but it was actually the other contractor. And she's like, oh my gosh, she looks like the guy that inspected our house, like in our old house, and da-da-da-da. And she's like, I didn't know he still worked for them. And it was like, our other contractor. So it was a false alarm. He has not come yet. So we're still waiting. Over here packaging some stuff. So I'm gonna get on with that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. We passed. We can carry on with the backyard now, and Mom and I are so excited. It was touch and go there for a hot second because the guy was taking forever to get here. The window was ending at 12 and it was like past 12 when he got here. But he came and we are good to go. Mom is over there. She's texting Dad. She's so excited. So to celebrate, I am heating up my last sushi bake. We literally had this like 2 days in a row already. But oh wait, it's not even in there yet. I'm still waiting for this to heat up. It's right here. So I'm gonna throw this in the oven. We're gonna have a little lunch and yeah. Hey guys, sushi bake is done. Now it's time to eat. Mom, are you excited?
I want some soda. A very cold soda.
Sorry, Mom, there's no more. We're talking about doing paneling, and I told her that I was gonna do it. Do you think I can do it? Mom doesn't think so.
I do not.
I told her I was gonna watch a lot of YouTube videos about how to do it.
He can't even hang that thing. You're scared to hang the curtain rod.
I didn't watch any YouTube videos for how to do that.
Then you want paneling.
Yeah, but the wood paneling is not gonna hold anything up. It's just the paneling by itself.
No.
The curtains hold, the rods hold up stuff. Those are heavy.
Wait for my my blinds for my bathroom and for the loft.
I was able to order the blinds. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put them up though.
See?
If I can put up the blinds, can I do the wings? Can I do the paneling?
First. You have to change my baseboard first.
Okay, you guys have to like. You guys have to give this video 5,000 likes. Then Mom's gonna let me do it.
5,000? No, I'm not gonna.
10.
If it's a 5 million likes, maybe.
Hey guys, so for dinner we are having Mom's famous bacon pasta. It's so good. Everyone loves it, including the children who are super picky. But I'm also going to make this accompaniment of tempura chicken with sweet and sour sauce from Trader Joe's. I'm actually going to put this in the air fryer and see how it is. This is my first time making this, and I don't know anyone that's actually ever tried it, so I'll let you guys know how it is. So I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I'm actually going to open this up with you guys because I don't know what this is going to be like inside. And it looks like the chicken is just in there already, and there's just the sauce that's separate, and it says cook preheat oven to 400 15 to 18 minutes, drizzle sauce over. And for this, we put this in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from water, place in safe, microwave safe plate, and put in microwave for 15 seconds or until warm. Okay, so this seems pretty straightforward. Oops. Alright, just throw everything in here. That's what I love about these two. Like, the one bag pretty much equates to one air fryer pan. So we're gonna set this up. Let's do 400, and then I'm gonna do 10 minutes first, just see how it is, but it's probably gonna be like 15 minutes. We're just gonna let that go. I'm gonna defrost this, and then I'm gonna heat it up in the microwave. Alright guys, there is our chicken. It was actually super duper easy, and it cooked in like 10 minutes. So that was super fun. Then the pasta, but look at my plates. This is my first time using these bowls that match the plates. I love them. Look how gorgeous these are. And these are thrifted from the Goodwill, and I believe they were sold at Crate & Barrel. That's where these are from. But these plates are so pretty. Look at that. I'm so obsessed with them. Alright, now we have our food, our bacon pasta, and our delicious tempura sweet and sour chicken. And actually I tasted it. It's really, really good, so I highly recommend. Oh, and also, our barbecues are back. Oh my gosh, it's not that much of a hot mess back there anymore. Now I just have to put this stuff back, which we will do after I eat.
Thank you, Nara.
Alright you guys, we just finished dinner and I cleaned up the kitchen, but I want to show you guys how the barbecue area looks because it looks fantastic. Oh, I missed it being over here. So everything's back. They reattached the bottom skirt pieces. They're just attached with these little screws. So fantastic. I'm so excited. I have missed it. They are back and we're ready to go. Work on everything again is going to be in a few weeks. We're still trying to like figure out what exactly we're going to do here. We need to find the replacement stone and all that and figure out a design for here as well for the pergola. So yeah, but look at that. It's a beautiful, I don't know if the sunset's really showing up, unfortunately, but it's a beautiful sunset. I'm going to go ahead and water the plants. I was going to put all this stuff back, but I'm considering just waiting till tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to just do it right now, but we'll see. That stuff from there has just been sitting over here, so. And we're all done. Oh my gosh, that was so difficult. But I managed to get everything done all by myself, so I'm very proud. I'm gonna move the other plant tomorrow. It's still wet and I don't want it to trip over there, so
But yeah, I'll probably put the Monstera back. I'm not sure actually, because the Monstera is doing really good in its spot, so I might actually put something else in that corner over there. But again, that's gonna be done at another time, so I just don't want all this stuff to be inside the house anymore. Now I can have space again. But there we go. Man, I'm like a little tuckered out, but it's all done. And now tomorrow I can wake up and see how beautiful it is, which is what I really want. So there you go.
Alright, you guys, I just got out of the shower. I feel super relaxed and I feel really, really clean because I was like so sweaty doing the California room, putting everything back. But I'm just so happy. Like, Mom was like, wait till tomorrow, and I was like, no, I have to do it now. So tomorrow when I wake up I can look outside and it'll be beautiful. So had to clean it and I think it looks fantastic. I missed it. I'm so happy that like this backyard is slowly going to how it was. And oh my gosh, I can't believe it finally happened. We finally finished, passed, completed inspections. So now we are good to go. Oh my gosh. It's just like over a year we have been dealing with this, and so much time, effort, money, and it has just been like very exasperating, especially for my mom. She's just like I don't know, she's but we're very happy that everything is finally signed off, and now all we have to do is we're waiting to get like kind of like the designs and stuff for how we're going to. We already have like an idea of how we want to do the fireplace thing again. We might be taking out or like closing off the existing fireplace thing that's like, it's already turned off, like the gas is no longer connected, but it still just has like the whole, like that area where the gas was supposed to come out with like the blue glass pieces inside. We're probably gonna take that out and then just like close it up and put like the stone on top of it that matches the rest of the stone, and then we're going to put in like a electronic fireplace thing into the back of the wall, and then the TV will go back over it. So I think that's what we're going to end up doing. But we're gonna like get the designs and like pricing for everything, see how much everything's gonna cost, and then we're definitely going to do something over the barbecue. We just have to again figure out the design and how we're going to do that as well. But I'm so excited because it's really hard to barbecue over there, especially when it's super duper hot. And like the sun's hot, the barbecue's hot, and it's just like super hot. So I never like really realized how much a big of a difference the shade thing makes. Even when it's like the winter and you're cooking over there, like just like the sun here where we are, it's just like really, really intense. So I'm just really excited. So hopefully we can get everything finished in like the next month or two. What month is it now? It's July, right? Hopefully we'll get everything done before September would be amazing. But I don't know, we shall see. Again, everything like construction stuff always takes twice, 3 times, 4 times as long. So, but we're just happy that we finally have contractors that we can trust. They are fantastic. So I'm very happy. They did a great job. I'm so happy that we finally got everything signed off. I'm happy that my parents are happy because then now they're not stressing about it anymore, because the city is super stressful. I don't know why they were like so crazy. And I got a lot of questions again in the last video about it. The reason that the city is like on us for this backyard was because they came for a final inspection. It's not because any of our neighbors or anything like reported us to the city or anything like that. But Yeah. And also pretty much everything that we did was structurally sound. According to our contractors, they had to bring everything down, put it back up. They actually did a really good job putting everything in. They just didn't get a good job getting permits and everything set off. Like, what would have only cost a couple $100s has ended up costing thousands. So it's just like so exasperating. But you know, we're through it pretty much. And now everything else is just going to be like, hopefully just icing on the cake. Because even if everything was just left as is right now, I would be happy, just because everything, like all that pressure from the city and getting everything done is just over. But enough about that. What else I was going to say? Oh, so the chicken from Trader Joe's, I am happy to report the chicken tempura sweet and sour chicken tempura, that's what it's called, is pretty good. I liked it. Not everyone was like a huge fan. Cade and Eliza really liked it. They said it actually does taste like the chicken nuggets from McDonald's in their sweet and sour sauce. It's like literally what it tastes like. But if I were to put it in competition or something with the orange chicken or the Kung Pao chicken, those two are definite, like, those are 10s. 100% recommend. I think the chicken, the tempura sweet and sour chicken is about maybe like a 7.5. But the Kung Pao tempura cauliflower is a 10. It's so good. So yeah, just like so into Trader Joe's right now. I'm like loving Trader Joe's. But I feel like they're really easy meals to make, and they are not like super duper expensive, and you can feed a lot of people with them. So I mean, that's fantastic. And yeah, I feel like I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's again tomorrow just because I miss it, and because I really need more garlic dipping sauce. We're running low, and the last time I was there, they didn't have any, and a bunch of people have been sending me photos of their stores having the garlic dipping sauce, and they are like in neighboring counties, so I'm hoping that our store will have restocked by now, but we shall see. But anyway, hope you guys all had a fantastic day. Hope you guys had fun hanging out today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Until then, adios, good night, good morning, arrivederci, bon voyage, sayonara, bye.